Huawei is announcing its flagship P20, or P11, the naming isn't 100% known at the moment, on March 27 at a special event in Paris. Alongside the Huawei P20 and perhaps also a Huawei P20 Lite, we're expecting to see a Huawei P20 Plus at the top of the upcoming range, and we've just had a very close look at the possible design. We say possible because the new renders of the phone are of course leaks, rather than anything official, but also because Huawei has apparently made two prototypes, one with a home button below the screen and one without. The renders below are based on the prototype that doesn't have a home button, but the source, Tiger Mobiles and on leaks, isn't sure which model will be released. Nevertheless, it doesn't sound like there will be too many other differences between the two. The leak gives us a good look at various aspects of the design, including an almost all-screen front with an iPhone X-like notch at the top, and that rumored triple lens camera on the back, which could be the highlight of the phone depending on what the three lenses are used for. You'll also note two holes on the top edge, but the source claims that even the larger one seems too small to be a headphone port and speculates that it's actually an IR blaster, so the P20 Plus may not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Today, renders of the Huawei P20 have surfaced, including a 360-degree video that allows you to see the render from all angles. Once again, we can see the three cameras that adorn the back of the unit. Unlike the P20 Plus, a front-facing fingerprint scanner can be seen. And yes, it appears that a notch will be present on this model, too. The Huawei P20 will carry a 5.7-inch display with a resolution of 1080 x 2280. That would give the screen an aspect ratio of 19:9. Under the hood will be the Kirin 970 chipset, which includes dedicated AI components and an octa-core CPU running at a clock speed of 2.36 GHz. The Mali G72 P12 GPU is also on board. One of the sensors that makes up the dual camera setup in front, will reportedly allow the P20 to feature a facial recognition system. At the top of the phone, it appears as though we see a 3.5mm headphone jack, although some say that it is an IR blaster that appears. Huawei has already sent out invitations for a media event that will take place in Paris on March 27. The manufacturer added a couple of clues to the invite that all but officially confirms the triple camera setup for the P20 and P20 Plus.